So, good people, allow me to show you the results of. I don't know if I can zoom in or not. I'll get a good shot. See these? The burns I'm getting from these microwave weapons. Yeah, and look, I just got done using it on my arm, right over here at 683, 232nd Street, and I'm going to go find me a lawyer, and I'm going to go get me some professional help, and continue trying to contact the government because this shit is out of hand, and there's no way that anybody can deny it now because the proof is right there on my skin. Yep. The red spots, red areas that you see. See? So yeah, I'm dealing with real US terrorism, and I'm not gonna sit here and be a victim of this. I was in my bed sleep regardless after being harassed. So I'm damn sure going to take the next step in the morning. So I will talk to you people later, and I will let you know how that went.